Chicken teriyaki rice bowl. How to make chicken teriyaki. Ingredients. Yield 4 to 6 servings. Prep time 15 minutes. Marinate time 15 minutes. Cook time 12 minutes. 3/4 cup Kikkoman Teriyaki Marinade and Sauce. 3 tablespoons sugar. 1 to half a pound boneless chicken thighs or breasts. 2 teaspoons cornstarch. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 4 cups fresh vegetables such as sugar snap peas, sliced red and yellow bell peppers and diagonally sliced carrots. 3 cups hot cooked white rice. Thinly sliced green onions, optional topping. Instructions. 1. Combine Kikkoman teriyaki marinade and sauce and sugar in measuring cup, stirring until sugar dissolves. Remove 1/2 cup of mixture and pour over chicken in large resealable storage bag. Press air out of bag and seal bag. Turn bag over several times to coat chicken well. Marinate for 15 minutes. 2. Add enough water to remaining teriyaki sauce mixture to measure 2/3 cup. Stir in cornstarch. Place in a small saucepan and cook, stirring frequently, for 1 minute, or until sauce boils and thickens slightly, adding an additional tablespoon of Kikkoman teriyaki marinade and sauce if needed. 3. Cook chicken on a well-oiled grill for 3 minutes on each side or until cooked through. 4. While chicken is cooking, place vegetables in a grill basket and cook until crisp tender, tossing occasionally. 5. Cut chicken into 1/12-inch slices and serve over rice in large individual serving bowls with vegetables on the side. Drizzle with sauce and garnish with green onions.